Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI Nova 12i. Begin by opening App Gallery on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, you need to tap on the same options to set them up. Firstly, I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, select Send at the bottom left corner of HUAWEI device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of 12i. Now go back to HUAWEI smartphone and using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to transfer. When you finished, click Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you prefer to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close this pop-up by clicking on Allow Only while in use or Allow this time only, and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!